We'll guide you through how to flip text in Canva Mobile. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create creative text effects directly on their mobile devices using Canva. Flipping text is useful for making reflections, mirror designs, and unique visual styles. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Canva on your device, for example, on an Android phone. If you have not installed it yet, you can download it from the Play Store easily. Open Canva, then make sure you are already logged in so you can access all features. Scroll down and select Custom Size from the available menu to start a new project. Type 1080 for the width value, then type 1350 for the height value to set your canvas. Make sure the unit used is pixels, then tap Create New Design to continue. After the canvas opens, tap the text menu, then tap Add a text box and type Flip Text as your sample content. Try changing the font style according to your preference so it matches your design. After that, adjust the text size based on your needs so it looks clear. Next, try changing the color to a 3-color gradient to make the text more attractive. If the text is still too small, enlarge it again until it fits the canvas properly. Tap the download icon in the top right corner to save the text as an image. After that, delete the text on the canvas so you can reinsert it differently. Then scroll the menu to access the Uploads menu. Tap Upload Files, select the file, then tap Select to upload it. Tap the uploaded image to add it to the canvas. Adjust the image size until it fits the text area perfectly so it looks clean. Then click Background Remover to remove the background and keep only the text. Duplicate the image and adjust both positions to stay centered on the canvas. Next, select the text image you want to flip, then scroll the menu to the right side. Tap the Flip menu and choose Flip Horizontal option to change its direction. As an example, undo it and choose Flip Vertical instead for a different effect. After that, adjust the transparency to refine the effect. Then view the result, and the flip text effect is successfully created.